Fisherman's tail. Pack of sardines a day keeps hard heads out of the bay.
What we're doing? Hold on, let me get this line up quick. So, as y'all saw earlier, I threw that cast net out here. Saw a bunch of birds diving down, eating a bunch of bait fish. Caught a couple pokies, and then 3 really nice croaker. Croaker, it's all man, it's just personal preference. I've caught redfish with both of them. But one of my favorites is definitely a croaker. So what we're gonna do is we fish the seawall for a little bit. We caught 1 decent fish on it, and we're gonna head up here. So basically what we're trying to target is anywhere that you have 2 main bodies of water, no matter if it's a rising tide or a dropping tide, they will set up on each point chasing bait fish. Just like the birds out here are catching them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head up here to where there's another mouth, and we're gonna throw those out on the bottom for a big old bull red that's coming through that channel feeding on some fish. So stay with us. So I don't give out many tips, but when I do, they're crucial. So pay attention, stop the video, go grab a notepad, get you a nice pencil. That joker right there will catch just about anything out in the bay, but this right here is a freaking snack for a big old juicy bull red. Stay tuned. Hey, keep watching this video and I'm gonna show you what this little joker does out here.
Watch your head bust. Automatic rounds coming at you from every end. Watch your head bust. Automatic rounds coming at you from every end. Watch your head bust. Automatic rounds coming at you from every end. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head.
Get him, my boy.
Hold this net real quick. I'm gonna try to get him a little bit closer.
The black drum.
Redfish. Nice redfish.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna just tire him out.
Stay tuned, I swear she's coming out.
Net from the head. If you don't, you'll lose the fish.
He's getting tired.
Let's go, baby.
What you think about it, Momo?
Alright, we told you. Been a break from the YouTube channel. Back with the action. That's what we do it for.
Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head bust. Watch your head.
Miranda Lambert, Kim K.
Miranda, I want a girl to take fishing with me.
The boy needs braces. He needs to go to the orthodontist. Shout out to Dr. Glass for the smile.
Alright guys, that is going to sum it up and be all for this video. Hope you like that video. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but it's just I'm trying to start putting more stuff out for this summer since it started to warm up and it's fishing time again. Real quick, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you for everyone who continues to watch my videos when I'm able to put them out. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to me. Again, if you like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below for what you'd like to see next. This past duck season, just so y'all know, it was a great season, shot a lot of birds. The ducks weren't here like we wanted to because it was a little warm. We managed to get on a bunch of geese. Didn't film a whole bunch of that just because a lot of the Atlanta hunt is public, just to keep my spots hidden just for my own personal reasons. I didn't put it out. But this upcoming duck season, what I've decided to do is I'm gonna film all season long, make a bunch of cool videos for y'all and put them out after the season's over. As far as that goes, I'm a full-time student in school right now, and I'm also working a job, and then life throws you curveballs and other stuff that you have to deal with. So it's a lot harder than you think to be a full-time YouTuber, full-time student, work, this and that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Other than that, I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.